Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Windows 10 using flash drive. The first thing what you're going to do, open your favorite browser and search for Windows 10 download. And from this option, go to download Windows 10 disk image. Then from here, scroll it down and you will find Create Windows Installation Media. From there, you have to choose download now. It will take some time to download it. Then after downloading, the file looks like this one. Then open the folder where the file is available. Then right click on it and then run as administrator. Generally, this step shows you that first you have to prepare the ISO file, then run as administrator. Then this option will come. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to choose yes. Then this window will pop up. It says getting everything is ready. You have to wait for some time. Then what do you want to do? Just upgrade this PC or create installation. You have to choose create installation and next. Then you do have the language. It is English edition. It is Windows 10 and architecture. You have to choose whatsoever you like, 64, 32, 64 or both. But in my case, I'll choose 64-bit. Then next. Here you have to insert USB drive. If I say now USB flash drive, next, if I'm not inserting, it will show me empty here. So at least you have to prepare 8 GB flash drive, which is empty inside. USB drive, empty inside. Then you have to insert it there. Now, if you go to your PC and check the drive, USB drive, then you have to format it. If there is something inside, it must be empty inside. Then as shown here, it is empty. If you open it, it will show you nothing inside. Then after that, go back to this select USB flash drive, refresh it. Then now it is available as shown here. It is E drive. Then if you go there to your computer and check it, it is E drive. So now it is reading this USB flash. Then next, you have to choose next. So it will take some time. You have to wait for it until it is completing. After finishing, again it starts verifying your download. Then again it will start from 0 and it will continue. It says creating Windows 10 media. It will take some time. You have to wait for it. Now your USB flash drive is ready, it says. Then finish, you have to choose. Then setup is cleaning up before it closes, it says. It may take a few minutes, you have to wait for that. Then, as it is shown, it is copying all the ISO file that required to install Windows 10. Then what you are going to do, remove your flash USB drive from here, and then you have to insert it into the PC that you want to install your Windows 10. Input there, then I'm installing this Windows 10 here in this desktop. So you have to insert the USB drive, then on the PC, then press F12. F12, it depends on some other computers may have F9, F11, F12. Then go from here, scroll it down and choose USB storage device, because that is USB storage device. Then after that it will start installing the process. This option will come Windows. You have to choose the language, it will be English. Then you can choose any language that you want. It is English US in my case. Then start now. Then it will ask you the product key. Just skip. I don't have product key. Choose that one. And here choose the first one, Windows 10 Home. Next. Then accept the terms and conditions. Then next. From here you have to go for the second one, custom install Windows. Then next. Then OK. Then installation will begin like this. After finishing the installation process, it will restart. So after restarting, your computer looks like this one. Starting services, then it will take some time. You have to wait for that. Just a moment, it says. So here you have to choose English, United States, the country. I chosen that. Then US, it is here, skip. Then after that, here this window will pop up. What you are going to do, remove the internet cable, otherwise it will not pass this stage. Remove or disconnect from internet. Remove this. If you are using cable internet, you have to remove it, otherwise some other internet also remove it. Then what you are going to do, at the top, go back again. Go back to the, then when you go back, this option will come. You have to use the username, you have to insert username, then next. You can skip the password, just next. So as it is shown here, it will not ask you, finally not ask you the password. Accept it. Just a moment. After that, leave everything to us. Window will come, and then finally, as it is shown here, it is installed, as it is shown here, successfully. So you can use this method to install Windows 10 to your PC by using USB drive. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.